Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm back with the new lesson, that is the sixth lesson around the neighborhood. Okay, we already know that the place around where we live is called our neighborhood. Okay, the place in which we are living is called as a neighborhood, and the people living in the neighborhood are called neighbors. Okay, neighbors are the person who live in the neighborhood. Okay, and now moving ahead, how do we find a place in a neighborhood, and what are some important places our neighborhood may have? Who are our helpers in the neighborhood? How can we be good neighbors? Let's find out all these things. So let's get started. A class tour. What is a class tour? Today, Million Joy's class teacher Miss Sarah is taking the students for a tour around the neighborhood. So what is the meaning of tour, children? Tour means trip. Okay, a trip. So they went on a trip. Who took them? Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah is class teacher of Joy and Millie. She took Millie and Joy and a whole class with her on a tour, means on a trip around the neighborhood. Okay, so what she did, she gave them a drawing of the neighborhood. She called it a map, and also she gave them a drawing of the neighborhood, it seems. Okay, the place of the place around them. So we call that drawing as a map. Okay, a map is a picture or drawing of a place. So what is map? Map is a drawing of any place, is called as the map, which shows different things in and around that place. So if, for example, if you want to show something, if you want to show any address, then what you will do, you will take one piece of paper and you will draw, and you will show that if you go here, if you take left, then you take right, then my home will come. So it means that you are showing a drawing of a place. It means that that drawing of a place is called as map. Okay, so what is map? A drawing of a place is called as the map, and it will show the different things in and around that place. Look at the map of the neighborhood. So here is the neighborhood map. Okay, here is a park, here is a post office, here is a fire station, market, and police station, bank, hospital, petrol pump. What are these, children? This is the neighborhood. In neighborhood, how many things are there? Let's find out that. Okay, so places in the neighborhood. What are the places in the neighborhood? Let's find out. The children were excited. Miss Sarah asked them to walk carefully. Children were very excited. Why? Because they were on a tour in the neighborhood, isn't it? And Miss Sarah asked them to walk carefully. Why? Because while walking on the road or crossing the road, what you have to do? You have to walk very carefully. Okay, it is important to be safe on the roads. Yes, whenever you walk on the road, first of all, you should walk with the elders only. Okay, and walk very carefully and slowly. Don't push each other. It's not a good manner, and it will lead you to danger also. She showed them some important places in the neighborhood. Some of these were the post office, fire station, market, bank, and hospital. So she showed them some important places in the neighborhood. What are the important places in the neighborhood? She showed them some post office also. She showed them fire station, market, bank, and hospital. So here is the post office, fire station, market, bank and hospital. Okay, Miss Sarah, find these places in the map on the map of the neighborhood given below. So where is a post office, children? Here it is a post office. Then she showed fire station. Where is a fire station? Here they went down, went like this, and they took the right turn and they visited this fire station. Then from there they went to the market. Here from there they again went to the bank. Okay, so where is bank? Here they went like this. Sorry, they went like this and they reached here, that is the bank. And also they saw hospital. Where it is here. Okay, so you have seen the map of the neighborhood, right? Miss Sarah said these places are called landmarks. Why they are telling these places as landmark? Why? Because if, for example, if you want to show your address to your friend, okay, how you will show? You will show like this. You come there. Okay, you come near the XYZ hospital. From there you come straight, then you take right turn, like this you will show now. And in between you will use this hospital and this bank or police station as a landmark. so that they can find the way very easily. So Miss Sarah said that these places are called landmarks. Landmarks are important places or buildings in the neighborhood that most people know about. So what are landmarks, children? Landmarks are nothing but the famous place of that area. For example, hospital means everyone knows where one hospital is. So by using the landmark, you can reach the address very easily, isn't it? So landmarks are the important places or the building that everyone knows in the neighborhood. Okay, so they help us to find where a place is. Can you name any 5 landmark in your city? So these will help us, these landmarks will help us to find a place in the neighborhood. Okay, they help us to find. Can you name any 5 landmarks in your city? So you have to name any 5 landmarks in our city, like Nikhilsa International Hotel, everyone knows that. Joy Lucas, where it is, that is a landmark. Okay, Bharat Petrol Pump, where it is, everyone knows that. So these the famous place that everyone knows in the neighborhood, that can be used as a landmark to find any place. Okay, so landmarks are nothing but the important places or buildings in the neighborhood. Okay, now let's continue our discussion from here, that is more about the landmarks. Let's learn more about the landmarks. Misha invited Millie and Joy to her house after school. So Misha she invited Millie and Joy. Millie and Joy is a friend of Misha. So Misha invited Millie and Joy for the first time to visit her house after school, it seems. So she wanted to show them her new pet, a goldfish. Why she invited Millie and Joy means she wanted to show this goldfish. She got a new pet, it seems, goldfish. She wanted to show this goldfish to her friend, that is Millie and Joy, to her friends Millie and Joy. So for example, children, if you get any pet in your house and you are very excited and you love that, what you will do, you will call your friends and you will show them, isn't it? Likewise here also Misha is very excited about her goldfish and she wanted to show her goldfish to Millie and Joy. So she said Millie and Joy to come to her house and see this. But Millie and Joy don't know where the house of Misha is. Now what happened? Misha gave them her address. Now Misha gave address, you have to come here so that you can see my goldfish. She also told Millie and Joy about some landmarks on the way from school to her house, and while showing the address how they can reach Misha's house, she used the landmarks also on the way from school to her house. So Misha's mother helped her to draw a map for Millie and Joy. This is how she explained the way to her house. And Misha is very young, isn't it? She can't make a map. She is very small. So Misha's mother helped Misha to draw a map of her house, so that Millie and Joy can reach her house very easily. This is how she explained the way to her house. What is the meaning of explain, children? Tell in a way that is easy to understand is called explanation. Then when you leave school, take a road to the left of the school. So now Misha is explaining. For example, here this is a Millie and Joy, you think. So she said that when you leave school, for example, from here they came out, this is the school now, children. So when you leave school, take the road to the left, it seems. So when you leave the school, your left will be here. So she said take to the left of the school, that will bring you to the Alpana market. Where is Alpana market? Here it is Alpana market. So she said to take left turn and like this, then it will take you to the Alpana market here. Okay, then what she said, soon after the market, climb the metro overbridge. She said that after the Alpana market, climb the metro overbridge. Where is metro overbridge? Here is a Alpana market now. So they reached here. From here she said to climb the metro overbridge. So here it is the metro overbridge. Okay, this is the metro overbridge. So she said to climb this metro overbridge like this. Then what she said, cross the bridge and walk ahead. She said to cross the bridge like this and walk ahead. Then turn right at the metro station here like this. Look towards the left here. Where is metro station? Here now. So turn towards right, it seems, towards the metro station. So they reached here. Then she said now look towards the left side. Turn at the turn towards your left, she said. So you will be able to see my house. So how beautifully she explained the way to her house, isn't it children, by using the map. So in between, what she used children, many landmarks she used. Landmarks means this is the important famous places that everyone knows. So Alpana market she used, this metro station she used, and also she used this metro over bridge. So she used these three landmarks and to make them understand, and so that Millie and Joy can reach Misha's house very easily. So they went like this, and they finally reached Misha's house. So this is the Misha's house. Okay. Now look at the map. Use a pencil to draw the road which Millie and Joy would take to reach Misha's house. Follow the direction she has given and look out for the landmarks. So directions means what? Instructions. Okay. So here is the answer. They have to go like this. Then they need to cross this metro overbridge. Then they should move ahead. Then again they have to take towards the right, that is a metro station. Then they have to look towards the left side, that is the Misha's house. So see, this is the answer for that. I would like to end up my discussion and we'll catch up in the next video with a further explanation. Till that, stay connected, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Okay.